everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make colorful and delicious fruit skewers at home. They're perfect for parties, picnics, or just a fun snack. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to create these tasty fruit skewers. Strawberries, pineapple, grapes, melon like cantaloupe or honeydew, kiwi, and wooden or metal skewers. Optional yogurt or chocolate for dipping, and mint leaves for garnish. First, let's prepare our fruits. Wash everything thoroughly, and then let's chop them into bite-sized pieces. For the pineapple, cut it into cubes, and for the melon and kiwi, slice them into nice even pieces. Now it's time to assemble. Take a skewer and start threading your fruits. You can create any pattern you like. I like to start with a strawberry, then add a piece of pineapple, followed by a grape, and then some melon. Get creative with your combinations. To make these skewers even more fun, you can whip up a simple dipping sauce. Here's a quick yogurt dip. 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a splash of vanilla extract. Just mix those together, and you've got a delicious dip that pairs perfectly with your fruit skewers. Once you've assembled all your skewers, arrange them on a platter. You can even garnish with fresh mint for a pop of color. These fruit skewers are not only tasty, but also visually appealing, perfect for any gathering. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you try making these fun and healthy fruit skewers at home. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for more delicious recipes. Happy snacking, and I'll see you next time.